This is the first time to the Jamaica Young Police channel and you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please consider subscribing. Like the video. And once you like the video, a pop-up is going to show that it says hype the video. Hype the video. By hyping the video, you're making the video reach others on the YouTube platform. And those of you who have been here with at the Jamaica Young Police channel for years, and you're subscribed and you're not receiving a notification, please unsubscribe and subscribe again. Remember to share the video, because you know that the channel has been an attack by the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and their surrogates at YouTube. You have seen it for yourself, where they have even distorted my voice, trying to turn me into American. And I'm not. When I say American, I'm talking, speaking like an American. I'm not an American. I'm a Jamaican by birth, and I'm proud of my Jamaican accent, not changing it for anything in the world. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Oh, what you say? You say me save your life as a juvenile?
Oh, you mean? Oh. As a police on stay, when they're on stay, brethren.
How me save your life?
Me used to get enough trouble and hear what?
Yeah.
They give me a good argument, brethren. As a juvenile, when nobody not sit down and talk to me, them time there, in a them way there.
Yeah.
I'm here with a family and nothing. And I respect you down to the ground where you walk on, brethren. And the reason why I never get a chance to come and show you the respect and make you know say thanks for you though, because I become American.
Yeah.
In 1994. And from 1990 to 91, me I get in some problem car. Them time me about 16, 17, I go by 18 them time there.
Which one you come from in Owensby here?
Della Cree Park, brethren.
Oh, okay, that I don't where Bingy come from.
Yeah.
That I
wanna be.
Yeah.
No, me I wanna be your friend and a brother.
Oh, okay.
What do you want now? I take my life to a better level and a different level. You know what I mean? Because when we are youth, I supposed to know this, we're carefree and we're not caring of the world.
True.
So, me used to do things where, right now as a man, me not please off.
Yeah. But, and you don't want your youth them to do it either?
No. No. So me have to tell you, from the bottom of my heart, brother, give thanks to the advice I use you to save you, brethren. Yeah, and you never put your hand on me when me know of. You just give me advice. You chat to me in the station, you chat to me on the road, you just give me the advice which we live by the rules, brethren.
I get where me come from, I'm born and grown in the belly of the beast, you understand? At Jonestown I come from, Jonestown Concrete Jungle, so I know what it is like to come from the ghetto, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why that's why I was able to talk to you and them thing there, because I know that the influence in the ghetto and them thing there, it's very rife, because you grew up come say the people them when you look up when them put up in a community are the worst people them, and you feel say boy that are the coolest way, so that's why you not go down the road there. But because I know so that road are gonna lead to two places, either prison or the departure lounge. So that's why I talk to you, you understand? And
and I nearly got prison cards. Mr. Daly did definitely I tried to send me go prison cards. My father, alright. My mother was a big police essential alongside with my stepfather. See? But my mother migrated from 1990.
Yeah.
And my dad Jamaica same way.
And that jerky, you know, because your mother is not there. So that make you, whether or not you want to believe, you know, psychologically that make you a lick out on society because she's not there for you. You know, have your mother there and them things, so you know that affect you mentally.
Yeah. Yeah, me respect you down to the ground where you walk on, brother. I'm not lie, brother.
Yeah, man.
Because I never there to make that call. Because I call it today, you know.
True, me see it.
But yeah, true, me the end up and start do something. I say I can't even talk. But me sit there call a while ago, me there drop a boy, so I say, I call back that brother right away. Yeah, man, Mr. Daly did so Ben say, man, send me go prison. All of my stepfather, I think my stepfather talked to you, man. The two of them drink some rum and then crashed out after that. Time I said, Mr. Daly, my papers come through. Want to go to America, want to come out of the lifestyle. And the man say, yo, I send you go prison. And probably if my stepfather never talked to you, man, whatever. Moon there, so right now, Bridget, my life was going down a track where it wasn't right.
How long? More than 10 years now, Bingy dead, you know.
Yeah.
So you're the only one from them alive?
Right about now, basically yes.
Can it dead too?
Can it dead? The whole of the youth them have grow with dead brethren.
So even can it brother the one who did there with what you tell him where she did send a prison him Chinaman. Even Chinaman the youth where they did with Chinaman woman.
I went there him dead.
I like
him dead him dropped down and dead where they must say high blood pressure kill him.
That's a young youth that man. I mean I'm 40s.
Yeah. Yeah.
So everybody dead now. I went near Martin, him near Martin.
Yeah, Martin him name. Martin dead. Bingy dead. All of them dead, brethren.
What to the I remember what film name and them thing there. Cause one of them either on Bingy and me the charge him and him they get mad. What him name? That one that get mad. What him name?
Him get mad.
Yeah.
Above the attack.
Yeah, what to him?
The Bugs are dead long time, man.
Why?
I said to the whole of the youth them dead, brother.
Well, that's why I try. That's why I have that channel. I have to try to see if you that because when you come from in a them kind of community, you know, the only thing the community impart to you are destruction and them thing. If you hurt other people and people hurt you and people and that's not right and them thing. They understand. You know? So like you and them thing that you supposed to be a role model for you them in a community and them thing for where you come from, but you don't know like you know through you're not foreign if you don't sell drugs and kill people and you come back and you kill people like Bingy. Nobody out of the crew partner gonna look up to you and them thing there because if you come back and you tell them say education, they might tell you say a white man thing you deal with. And you tell them say boy if you read Marcus Garvey and you read Marcus Garvey you discover yourself as a black man. Or a black girl and them thing and you will stop with all of them falls here and them baby bop eyelash and you just wear your ear just like how God make you cause you are the queen of the earth. Them not gonna want to hear that. Them want you come back now and you keep dance and them thing there and hold up a man with gun and you are walk and feel face bend up.
To be honest, you know, sir, I don't even call no type of people them way that Jamaica. Me not try to keep no. Me not try to keep the unnecessary friend. Cause me no want an unnecessary friend. I've been through the worst already. I'm still living. Cause the whole of my friend them dead. And them never reach the age. When me reach me at 52 right now, brethren. And me getting a problem from 16, 17, 18. So I couldn't continue to live my life as that. No progress in a that. I mean, I can grow my opinion them right here. It's something bad that got happen them time. So I have to make a change. And you are the part of my change, brethren. I have to give the respect down to the ground where you walk on.
Yeah, man. We're glad for that. We're glad for that and everything. So what you do for yourself now?
Right now, retire, you know, because you are. Me that do demolition.
Okay.
Yeah. And me get injured on the job.
So
me have to break off fight.
So them take care of you and them thing there. You alright?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm a good man so far, man. I'm a good man. I can't complain, man. Me have life, man. I'm a good man. Married and live with wife and pitney and them thing there, brother.
So how much you have on them thing then?
3 youth me get my first daughter at 33, one at 26, one at 25.
And up here the whole of them born?
No, the first one born at Jamaica, 1994, but it's been sent for a long time. And the next two born America.
So the 33-year-old should I have to do?
Yeah, Mr. Vincent Fishy, man. Vincent Fishy travel the world right now.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah, man.
So your grandfather now?
Yeah, we have one grandson.
Every time when you look back on your life and them thing there, you say, boy, it could have been different. You wouldn't be here.
And that, me I tell you, it would have been different because you what? Me and you know, say, police thing kind of corrupted at Jamaica. And there are a lot of times when police pick me up and me literally scared for my life.
Because you know you're not doing them thing there.
Yeah. I know me get into and I know what can happen.
But you still take chance though. So how you did feel and them thing if you know so when police are look for you?
I want to tell you say I not really at them age I'm young, you know, so I consider me not have the deep thinking.
So you never feel free of them thing there, are you not free, are you not you just no business?
I wouldn't say own a business, but you know when anything go on in Dela Creek, I left from Dela Creek and go somewhere go hide out. Until the vibe school and I will come back.
And like Bingy could have go uptown and them thing there. Bingy didn't have to turn no bad man. And him come a foreign and become millionaire and still in the buy up gun and all of them thing then.
Yeah, that is the wrong thing.
So you the guy in funeral?
No, I'm not going to funeral. Because I tell you, I'm trying to isolate myself.
Oh, you stay far from it? Well,
yeah, I stay far from everything, Bridget. I come out of them lifestyle and I've been to America, so I now try to live back the lifestyle where I did live at Jamaica.
Yeah, but what I say, you not try to mentor no youth in a community or try to save no youth or impart.
Yeah. Try that, you know.
And what?
Try that.
And what?
When you say, when alright, me try, but when me say, no man not take it and try to do the right thing. You can't try no more.
Well, you can't. I mean, know it. You know what you remind me of them thing there. You did have a Rasta brother who come from Payne Avenue when he Keith. He was bad man. I don't know if you hear about it. If you remember him, he Rasta Keith. He was bad man and him did change and him thing there. And him did go prison and come back and start dealing with Rasta. And he must, cause the same thing he must say, he must tell the youth them in a Payne Avenue, say, boy, look here. Anytime we are killing all a man from Mackay Lane, I will sell for you killing now. What we are kill man for because man says something I don't like it. We intelligent and them thing there, we educate the world, black people create, and we build pyramids, we have our mind greater than any other race of people, and you know, same start the Rasta talking and the Bob Marley and the Marcus Garvey, because you know, say Marcus Garvey to Rasta, real Rasta, like God to them, Marcus Garvey, because Marcus Garvey say, you know, if God not look like you know, as a black man, you know, that means say you're not supposed to worship God, you know, because if you're going to worship a white man God, you know, that means say you're going to worship a God, we're going to kill you because them wicked. You understand?
Yeah, and a false prophet anyway.
Yeah. But remember say Marcus Garvey before even people know Marcus Garvey, they don't tell us that Jesus now say Marcus Garvey say if God white, him don't want to meet him because God can't white.
Yeah.
You understand? And that over a century ago that.
Over the wall of them thing there now, guys. With the whole heap of history search and black people search. Black people are the first set of people on the earth. So come, they una give me a white God. Where this white God come from if black man are the first people on the earth?
Well, you have to, remember say you have to lie if you make yourself look good, you know. It's just like how even the guard them at the Queen Palace with the long falls here, with the long falls in, that come from our people, you know, from the Moors them, you know, our black people real here that grow up right up here and them thing there, you know. You didn't know that? The Moors them from.
I never know that part there.
Yes, even the Queen girl them at England where you say have on the black thing. I mean, we as black people, our ancestors wear the hair because of power. You understand?
Yeah.
Just go straight up the man and the woman, them and them thing them. So them thief that and them thing them can't you can't grow like that, you know, white people, you know. So that's why them have to make the false thing for put on them head.
Yeah,
you know,
which is right.
You can't Google that one of them thing, man. Yeah, man, so just like what you say on them thing there, you know, you say, boy, you kind of give up on them thing there, but if you can't save one life, you save, you know, just like how with you tell me, say, boy, you know, you thank me on them thing there for save your life on them thing there and, you know, and talk sense into you. But I just saw it go on them thing there because, as I tell you, Rasta Keaton, I try to talk to you, them at Payne Avenue. Some of them in the listen on them thing there, and then Amanda said, oh, the Rasta boy chat too much, you know, and then just kill him.
Yeah.
You understand? Them just kill Rasta Keaton and them thing there. You understand?
Hold on, him the dead in a Delacree Park?
No, a Payne Avenue, same place our Payne Avenue, them kill him.
Okay.
Okay. Them same.
One thing is a daily.
Him the dead man.
Oh.
One of him brother-in-law kill him on them thing there, you know.
Okay.
Him brother-in-law kill him, you know, them I say some bus business on them thing there, but what really happened on them thing there with daily is that you know, based on what the people them say from Brook Avenue and Brook Valley. Yeah, you understand? The boy them give him coke on them thing there. Cause when him dead on them thing there, my uncle hear my ball out for murder on them thing there. So them give him coke for sell and him broke the boy them foot. So when you understand, yeah, him broke them foot cause him carry the coke go give a brother named Pilly Blacks up at oil. And him and Pilly Blacks broke the man them foot. Cause one of the boy and brother-in-law. So when him go round the now for him and them start, him not got no money on them thing, so them decide to kill him and them, you understand, and shot fire man dead, and you understand, him dead, him kill one of them and them kill him. But all I boy them dead, one of them that prison and them thing, but I want them brother-in-law kill him, you know.
So want to Bobby Reds?
Bobby the boat man, but you know, Bobby not different. Bobby the boat man. Him retire on them thing there. But him
me know Bobby from Shooter ZELLE days now.
Yeah.
Bobby is a man that used to go hit him yard personally because same daughter them and me at the same age and one of my cousins used to do with him daughter Shooters it me I tell him from boy days.
Who you attack? You attack Kerry?
Him daughter?
Yeah man, Kerry, yeah.
I don't remember the name because it's so long. Me talk about from me about 10, 11, you know.
When you used to live out of Harbour View, yeah?
Near Shooter ZELLE. Yeah. From them time, and guess what? When me move come at West Kingston now and see the man now acknowledge me virgin as a juvenile. So I mean, so me not bother push the issue.
But him used to, but me remember say me and him used to work still and him they tell me to talk, Bobby tell me to talk to you.
Oh.
Cause remember say me and him used to work, you know, so him more or less see say if him talk to you and I go listen to him cause you know him.
Okay.
You understand? And the reason why maybe him not even want knowledge you on him thing. Now remember say Bobby wasn't an ordinary police on the street, you know. So you don't want to acknowledge your next people go say you're an informer. You have to remember that too, you know. You understand? Because people go see you talk up to Bobby and I say, oh, the boy they are informer, you know. And you will lose your life just because of that. So for him protect you as a youth and live in a ghetto and them thing, I'll do him know you and you know all them kid and all of them thing there. Him have to just pretend when him see you publicly like him not even know you. Because if him acknowledge you, then you know ghetto people. Because ghetto me come from to, you know, people are going to start say things. Yeah. You understand? So you have to remember the part that you understand that when it come on to police, when you are police and them thing and you live in the garrison, you as a youth or you remember, people see and the police attack up, the first thing them don't even know what you're talk about. Whether you're man or woman, them say you're informer. You know many people lose them life just because of that. I get one of them thing there. Because that's something what them impart to you, but yet still the thing what them doing they get one of them thing they were impart to it. Them want it normalized say you kill a next man and a man kill you and them thing there. That's not right. Yeah. Because you understand what I'm saying? If me love my life, why me love my life, but me can't take your life, but my life must be protected. No, everybody's life is protected. You understand? Yeah, true that. Yeah, man. And just like what Marcus Garvey say, if you don't see yourself in our next black man, that means say you don't love yourself. If you just get up and go kill a man, you understand what I'm saying? And that's I think we want to change from the ghetto thinking where we come from on them thing there, because that's I only thing. Because when you grow up on them thing there, you didn't know any other thing what you could have done in your life apart from when you migrate come to America. Even though you go to school. Because you go to school, teacher not even busy with you. Teacher not busy if you want to learn or not learn. I like me I tell?
Yeah, that's true. Okay. That's true. I go through to a teacher in a school too.
Yeah, man. Teacher not busy with you if you want to learn. You will lucky if you find a teacher and say, boy, you have talent and help you. Like for me, a country, a country and them thing there. During in the 80 war and them thing there, town, Jonestown and Rima and them thing there. If a teacher, a country see me and say, wait, that boy, the youth have to in a lesser class and them thing there. But me never want to go in a lesser class. And that's what you understand what I'm saying, and the rest is history. Yeah. In a Jamaica, teacher don't care about you. Worse if your family not no money to give them and them. Because teacher suffer too, Yeah. You understand? Because teacher if you go to school and sell sweetie and biscuit, all that. You understand what I'm saying? So that's why them have one little paycheck. So them go to school, them stress. Them not business about you. If you want to learn, you learn. You don't want to learn, that's your business. That's so it go. You understand?
Yeah, I saw Jamaica teacher deal with it.
Yeah. So you know where come from, you get one of them thing. The only people them what you see in your community. You didn't know when you never did it. The machine man never did about them time because you left long time on the thing. But man like Aston, cause Aston, say Aston a machine man brother. I think them a brother or something like that.
No, I'm brother cause that's what I tell you say. Aston used to matter of fact, Aston bring me in about this budget. Alright. So we know about the thing.
Yeah.
But you know, as a juvenile, as a juvenile, me easy can get misled. So that go on at the time, because me used to par with the man them brethren as a juvenile. I par the whole every man where you can think of. From Rambo, Nicky Crawler, look, every man.
We are talking Mikey Rambo?
Yeah.
Oh.
The whole of them man, the brethren used to around, the whole of them man as a juvenile. I mean, I reach 18 them time there. But you
remember butter to one them man there?
Me know everybody, brethren. Me know everybody, that's why I say, you give me a talk, me I tell you. Me can't, and when me I tell all my wife the same thing. So you that better you save my life already, me there Jamaica,
Yeah man, we give thanks. We give thanks. Yeah? So let me tell you something of them thing there. You know say? Yeah. I first me I go talk this of them thing there. In the early 2000s, I have some problem with a Bank of America and them thing there. And when we go to the bank, and when you go to the bank, you have to give them your ATM card and your driver's license. But at the time, I'm a military uniform, so I give them my ATM card and my military ID, card, federal ID.
Yeah.
And suppose me tell you something, say, normally, basically the problem we have, it has to be handled by a manager. So the assistant manager, me sit down inside of the bank in my uniform, the assistant manager come out, a black brother, When I say black, him no jet black like daily. And him come out, and him say, for coming in my office, and the man see me and hug me up, and I say, what the brother you do? You know what I'm saying? And he must say, Mr. Porter, you don't remember me? I said, no, I don't remember you and them things. You understand? But
yeah.
So let me tell you something now. That youth there, one time, me want police. Me never forget the youth. Me never forget the police and me and him are driving, you know, a patrol in a Waterhouse, a Shuka Road. And it was a Monday evening, you know. I remember everything. But the youth, you understand, him was youth then and him thing, about 10, 11.
Yeah.
And the youth, you don't know how ghetto me come from and them thing. And we know how ghetto. When youth say police and them behave and them thing there. So from me see him, me know say something wrong.
Yeah.
Anyway, the police, me not check him on him thing there, cause me see him with a bag, but me know say, I don't know gun business that and them thing there. But the driver now for the vehicle now want we check him on them thing there. But me said to myself, say boy, you know, through me the observer, me say boy, me rather check him. When me check the youth, him about 20 pounds of weed on him. The youth, you know. And me search him and thing and him start cry. So me ask him what me. And I tell me say boy, him father that foreign and him thing and him grandmother him live with. And him tell me say I did done give him the weed for carry go somewhere. And him say anyhow if me even lock him up, him grandmother have to go pay for it and him know where them a get money from and him a cry. The youth, you know, I get where me come from, you know.
Yeah.
And I said to him, say, alright, you know, go on. And I said, just tell the dance and me say, don't send you out again. Yeah, so yes, and popular believe that people, you know, that have been spreading all over the internet that you know that young, you know, so-called youngsters, young men, you know, you're surely on Bobby Reds that we never try to change any life. We always try to take life, which is not true. You know, we try to help those who want help. And you have listened to that young man, you know, telling the world that we had saved his life. All of his friends are dead. Every one of them from gunshots, except the one that he called except the last one. You know, the one that had to lose his brain because of the pressure that was, you know, by us. And then, you know, you understand, and then he had gotten crazy. So those of you who truly understand how the world operates know that successful countries, successful police organizations, successful militaries, successful businesses all have one thing in common. They rely on data. Data is king. Opinions come and go, rumors come and go, emotions come and go, but data, records, intelligence and documented evidence allow us to separate fact from fiction. That is exactly what this series is about. Yeah, facts and fiction. Unfortunately, because there is so much information to present, we cannot just do it justice in a single video. Rather than rush through the evidence and leave out important details, I have decided to break this into a two-part series. You're hearing it for yourself. Yes, and honestly, we appreciate the complaints, especially, you know, from you guys. But people, just be patient. Rome never making her get there. I remember even God never make the world in a 7 day. 6 day God make it and him rest. So even God tired too, you know, so you understand what I'm saying. So just, you know, we'll just continue. Whatever they are doing, nothing lasts ever. As we say, lies have expiry date. Truth is infinite. So in part 2, you are going to hear even more of this remarkable testimony and learn details that help explain why not every gunman ended up in the departure lounge. Sometimes a decision made in a matter of seconds can change the course of someone's life forever. If you don't want to wait for the public release, you can join the Patreon squad today. Membership costs less than 25 cents a day. Less than the cost of a piece of candy or a bottle of water. You can't even get a candy in America for 25 cents no more. At one time I could have go at Walmart and buy you know, you have some candy where them selling a bag for you get it for like $1. Now that same candy now at $3, so it increased by 200%. So not cheap anymore, my friends. But yet at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we say we join the PHR squad, it costs 25 cents, a quarter a day. You understand what I'm saying? You know, we're not trying to get rich over here, but even, you have to understand, even non-profit organization, charity, operate by philanthropists, people who donate. Sometimes people you can't see, sometimes some people donate just like any other entity that don't have government backing or corporate sponsors. That's how the world is. So we have to just keep it just like that. So if you don't want to wait, just join the Patreon squad. Your support helps us continue producing independent research-based documentaries that focus on facts, documented records, and first-hand testimonies. If you're not ready to join, that's perfectly fine. Simply watch part 2 when it's released here on the channel. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your continued support, and thank you for believing that truth still matters. Yeah. Just hey, look here. We'll just let them work overtime. Because there's a new we say yeah, some people from England said we want new attack now where you know them I watch them video and them thing there and it just go blank and you can't go left nor right and them can't go left nor right. Even them so when them scroll down and click off the video and go back to YouTube, it does it now show the ad. The ad itself a show, but in a middle way they have play. It's a circle there now. Hey, look. So they might do all kind of things. And look here. Always remember, resilience. Never stay focused on what we are doing, because you know that what we are doing is right. That's how it is, you know. Until next time. Substance over popularity, facts over fiction, data is king. And heal up the youth here, you know, that will save him life. But he's not the first, and he's not the second. We have saved many lives, but people don't talk about the ones who have lost theirs. But you have to understand, those who have lost their lives are the ones who wanted to take ours. My friend Bobby Reg is no longer here. He passed away, and we did a video yesterday. You know, it's very, very heartbreaking because throughout my entire career, he's the closest police officer to me. Apart from Geta. As much as I have been working with Bobby for years before I knew Geta and I developed a bond that was totally different from Bobby. Because I was a big brother to Geta. And, you know, things that he shared with me, he didn't share with others. And you know, so Bobby older than yours truly, so we were like brothers. That Bobby wasn't a bigger brother to me. We were like brothers. You know, none never superior to the other. I never treat him as if I was superior and he was inferior. Even when we go anywhere, I tell people that Bobby my detective corporal. You know, she wasn't, but you know, back in Jamaica there was like there's a stigma because we know it because we are from the ghetto, because you know, he was a district constable, and you know, Jamaica back then, DC and special people don't really have much respect for them because they don't see that is culture, you know. People don't see them as police, but they have same powers as us, you know, and people tend to look down on them. So we know the culture, so those of us who know it, and you know it feels when somebody trying to put you down. You understand? Because even yours truly, when I was a young police officer in Maypen and working in the guard room, you know, I used to feel kind of embarrassed. Yes, you feel embarrassed when seeing a police officer. I said to the civilian, them say, "I'm a young police," you know, as if they weren't young police. So because of that, and you know, it feel. And I said, I was a police cadet. When I was a police cadet, the recruit them used to treat me really bad. Them used to call me Juvenile and say things to belittle us. So that's why based on my treatment that I had experienced from the Jamaica Police Academy, I always have an excellent relationship with the auxiliaries, special and district constables. And I can tell you, a district constable teach me the work. A district constable at a police station named Crafton named Gardner. I don't remember his first name off, and I'm just talking. A district constable teach me the work. Trust me. DC. And I want to tell you that I use it, all of the training that this man have imparted to me when I was at Huntsville. And there was a special at Huntsville. We used to work on team at one point in time. Ian Thompson, they call him Glasses Thompson. But, you know, people grew on them thing there, and, you know, Glasses Thompson, theme boss, a cowboy. And me and cowboy are not friends, so, you know, Glasses Thompson, we're not friends per se, not even on Facebook. Because them hate for no say, we call out them friends to them friend a thief. That's how people are biased, you know. Not you have other people where they're not biased, they know so what we're saying is the truth. So, you know, as we say, just treat people as you want to be treated. I know I know how it felt when I was a cadet, and I tell them and recruit them used to treat you really bad on them thing. They make you feel like, you know, them say you're a juvenile, you need a care and protection. Your parents can't take care of you. That's why them have to send you to the police academy. You know, make you go do a police test and send you there for you. Because you're not a discipline and you want to become criminal. That's why you become police. That's why you become police cadet for save you from prison and death. Recruit them and tell you that, you know, you're going to be police just like them, you know, but it's just that they're already in the training. You're not in the training. So that's why as I said, that's why I treat the auxiliaries them different. And even when I was at Silo in St. Elizabeth, there was a special corporal there in Glaston series. And of all of the regular police officers there, I was the only one that stood up for him against other police, and pretty much, but them kind of afraid of me still doing it. I asked the people in my Silo, the regular police them they're kind of afraid of me because, you know, I'm a persona. You understand? And, you know, I just saw it go. And worse, then after a big incident and all of that, that even solidify, you know, some real bad police. You understand? Yeah, I just saw it go. We just are talking a Jamaican terminology. So, you know, those who are about this thing that, you know, as a man that did a video and stated that over 30 had people that we had sent over to. Honestly, I can't tell you. I have never done a count or anything like that. Some vivid, some, you know, you just try to erase it. I don't drink, I don't smoke. People ask me how I sleep. I sleep like a baby. Honestly, I don't take drugs. I don't smoke. I don't drink. Thank God for the place where I'm at. And God bless my friend Bobby Red's soul. And yeah, and of course, I tear up when I was listening over the video about my friend, because trust me, we have some memories, man. Believe you me, we had some real memories. You know, memories are something that just play back in your head like a movie. I remember something and you smile and all of these things. But he was a real team player. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.